One of the powerful tools in your Fruition Folio is the spending view. To start, click Folio in the top menu. To dive into your spending, click Spending in the left-hand menu. The power of your spending view comes from the insights you can find over time. You can watch your spending habits change in one view. To see your spending habits change over time, adjust your views to show a different time range. Let's look at the past 90 days. To look into any of these categories and see the transactions that make up the total, click the Spending category. See all the subcategories and recent transactions that make up the Shopping category. Now let's look at your spending over the last 3 months. Do you have a good idea of how much you've spent on the whole over the last 90 days? Now you can start to see trends appear based on your spending. Adjust the chart to the last 30 days to see your spending by day. Check your spending view often to see trends emerge, or ensure you aren't breaking the bank on unnecessary spending.